Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into the video. Robby here from the Average Jake Firefighter blog. In my last video, I talked about how to use some simple workout equipment in order to get some critical sets and reps on the hose line. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another way to get some simple sets and reps in your firefighting training while also getting in a good workout. As you can see in the video here, I'm going to be performing some simple tire drags. This is something that you can go to the dump or you can get a spare piece of rope or something like that in order to drag the tire up and down your street. I use in between mailbox to mailbox. But what you'll see at the end of the video clip is that at the end of this, drag the video to the mailbox, then tie a simple handcuff knot, and then drag the tire backwards. This not only gets me a good workout, but it also lets me practice a critical fireground skill of tying a knot under stress, under an advanced heart rate, which is when you perform this skill on the fireground, you're going to be in a stress situation with your heart rate up. You're going to be sweating because you're also going to be probably rescuing a citizen or a down firefighter. So again, it gives you critical sets and reps in order to be able to practice a critical fireground skill and get a good workout in. As you can see, it's nothing very hard. It's nothing too terribly extravagant, but it gives you an opportunity to train and get PT in on your day off, which is something that we're severely lacking in the fire service. I talk about all the time about the 3 hours, about 1 hour in the gym, 1 hour in the library, and 1 hour doing some sort of hands-on training. That's really difficult to sometimes accomplish at home. So this gives you another way to get some critical sets and reps for fireground training, also while getting in your physical fitness while you're off duty. It doesn't take anything hard. It doesn't take anything extravagant. It just takes you getting out there and doing the work. We need bulldozers in the fire service when it comes to fitness, not sports cars, not Ferraris. We need people that can do the work, not just look good. Well, that's all I had for today. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to view the video. I hope it gives you some sort of help in trying to become an excellent firefighter. If you like what you see and you're interested in other stuff, check out averagejakefirefighter.com. which is the blog that I run. Check out the Average Jake Firefighter podcast. It's available on iTunes, Anchor, Stitcher Radio, Google, all sorts of podcast listening devices. And also follow me on Twitter at AverageJakeFF. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.